Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a video I did earlier in October and just have not had enough time to upload it. So here we go. We're just getting our Halloween decorations out. We're decorating as a family. This video will be mainly about me making some cookies though, snickerdoodle cookies. Right here is a wreath that I made. I absolutely love it. I was so sad when I pulled it out of the storage container. It's a skeleton with a really fancy hat. The hat fell off in one of his legs, but my husband was able to glue it together and there it is. It's so cool, I love it. Now I'm making snickerdoodle cookies. And at the very end, it looks like I'm eating some of the candy from it, but at the very end I add candy corns and pumpkin candies on it. And I had made it to deliver to a couple of friends. So I'm just showing here, I added the butter and sugar. Now I'm adding the flour and the salt and the baking soda. These cookies are so easy. I've made this recipe several times, but I had never put the candies on it, so it was kind of an experiment, but it turned out really, really well. Everybody loved them. Now I'm adding my eggs. I always crack my eggs into a separate container in case I get some shell in it. And then I add them one at a time just to make sure they're evenly mixed up in there. Now I'm just cleaning up a little bit. Whenever I make cookies, I also pre-measure everything. I just find that I make less mistakes if I pre-measure everything. A lot of times my kids want to help or they start talking to me and then I forget, did I add 1 cup or 2 cups? You know, I kind of forget my count. So that's why I have so many containers there. I'm excited to show you in our next video. Our pantry is organized. I still want to buy some baskets and containers to sort things in, like onions and garlic, stuff like that. But for now, I absolutely love how it is. So this is what the dough should look like at the very end. It's not sticky. Now I'm spooning out the cookie dough and then rolling it in the cinnamon sugar. If you guys would like this recipe, just let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to give it to you. It's been a while since I've done a video. Things have been crazy here, but I absolutely love making videos for this channel. So I'm going to start doing them more consistently. Okay. Oh, scary. That's pretty scary. Oh my goodness. We had this costume already. It was my older son's costume a few years ago. I wouldn't normally buy such a scary costume for a 6-year-old, but we had it and he wanted to be it and it was just fine with me. And now last but not least, the cookies are out of the oven and I'm adding the candies to them. When they cool off, we all tried one and they are so good. This is definitely a keeper. Well guys, I made the mistake of not recording everything once we decorated, but this next video we have some Christmas stuff up. I'll show you that. I'll show you my pantry, and I'm also cleaning the kitchen. I'm gonna try starting to upload every Tuesday and Sunday. If that changes, I'll let you know, but thanks for watching our videos and we'll see you real soon. Bye bye.